Welcome to our channel Herbologyhaven. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most versatile and beloved herbs in the culinary world, coriander, also known as cilantro in many parts of the world. Coriander is more than just a flavor booster. This multifaceted herb plays a vital role in various cuisines and traditional medicine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, coriander is likely a staple in your spice rack. But did you know it also comes with a rich history, diverse cultural significance, and an array of health benefits? Coriander, scientifically known as Coriandrum sativum, belongs to the Apiaceae family, the same family as parsley, carrots, and celery. It's an annual herb that grows about 1 to 3 feet tall, with slender, hollow stems and delicate, lacy leaves. The plant produces small, white or pale pink flowers that eventually turn into seeds, which we commonly refer to as coriander seeds. Both the seeds and leaves are used in cooking, each imparting a distinct flavor. Coriander has a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. It was found in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs and mentioned in Sanskrit texts over 7,000 years ago. Ancient Greeks and Romans used coriander in their cooking and as a preservative. In the Middle Ages, it was even believed to have aphrodisiac properties. Coriander is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Coriander is also a good source of dietary fiber, iron, magnesium, and manganese. The leaves and seeds each have their own nutritional profiles, with leaves being higher in vitamins and seeds being rich in minerals. Coriander offers a range of health benefits. It's known for promoting digestive health, thanks to compounds in the seeds that alleviate bloating and gas. It's also loaded with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body, contributing to its anti-inflammatory effects. Plus, studies suggest that coriander can help lower blood sugar levels and improve heart health by managing cholesterol levels. Coriander is a staple in many cuisines around the world. In Indian cuisine, both the seeds and leaves are essential in curries and spice blends. In Mexican dishes, cilantro is a key ingredient in salsas and guacamoles. The seeds have a warm, nutty flavor with citrus undertones, while the leaves offer a fresh, citrusy taste. In traditional medicine, coriander has been valued for centuries. In Ayurveda, it's considered a cooling herb used to treat digestive issues, detoxify the body, and reduce fever. Traditional Chinese medicine also uses coriander to treat digestive issues and reduce inflammation. Want to grow your own coriander? It's easy. Coriander thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight, although it can tolerate some shade. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep in slightly acidic to neutral soil, water regularly, and watch your coriander flourish. You can harvest the leaves once the plant is about 6 inches tall. Coriander is also beneficial for skin and hair. Rich in antioxidants and essential oils, it can help reduce acne, brighten the skin, and soothe irritation. Try a simple coriander face mask by blending fresh leaves with yogurt. For shiny hair, you can boil coriander seeds in water, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse. Sustainable coriander cultivation is crucial for maintaining soil health and promoting biodiversity. Organic farming practices, like using natural fertilizers and crop rotation, can reduce the environmental impact. Plus, coriander flowers attract beneficial insects like bees, which are essential for pollination. While coriander is generally safe, some people may experience allergic reactions. If you're new to coriander, start with a small amount. Additionally, coriander may interact with medications that affect blood sugar and blood pressure, so consult your doctor if you're taking any medication. Coriander supplements are available for those who want a concentrated dose of the herb's benefits. When choosing coriander products, opt for organic, non-GMO options from reputable brands. Coriander is finding its way into modern cuisine and mixology. Chefs are experimenting with it in desserts and cocktails, adding a unique twist to traditional recipes. Coriander essential oil is also gaining popularity for its therapeutic benefits, used in aromatherapy to relieve stress and soothe muscle pain. Let's address some frequently asked questions about coriander. Is coriander safe for everyone? Generally, yes, but be cautious if you have allergies. How can I store coriander to keep it fresh? Store leaves in a jar of water in the fridge, seeds in an airtight container. What are the differences between coriander and cilantro? Cilantro refers to the leaves, while coriander typically refers to the seeds. Can coriander be used in desserts? Absolutely. Its citrusy flavor pairs well with fruits and can be used in cakes and sorbets. What are the best ways to incorporate coriander into my diet? Use it in salads, soups, stews, and marinades. Experiment with both seeds and leaves. Coriander is truly a remarkable herb, with its roots deeply embedded in history, culture, and medicine. Whether you're using it in cooking, as a natural remedy, or even in your skincare routine, coriander offers a multitude of benefits that are hard to ignore. So why not add a little more coriander to your life and enjoy all that this versatile herb has to offer? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on herbs, health, and wellness.